Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Gag Apron is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone who loves to cook, bake, or even engage in messy crafts, offering a protective barrier against spills, stains, and splatters, ensuring your clothes remain pristine while you unleash your culinary creativity or artistic flair, making it an indispensable tool for both professional chefs and home enthusiasts alike. Number 5. HAKSEN Funny Grilling Apron. Tired of boring kitchen attire? Get ready to spice up your barbecue with this hilarious apron. It's perfect for adding a touch of fun to any outdoor cooking adventure. Looking for a unique and funny gift? This apron is sure to get a laugh at your next party or gathering. It's the perfect present for the chef or grill enthusiast in your life. Don't let your cooking be dull. This apron adds personality and humor to your kitchen or backyard. It's designed for both men and women who love to cook and entertain. Whether it's a casual barbecue, a lively outdoor party, or just cooking in the kitchen, this apron is your go-to accessory. It brings smiles and laughter wherever you go. Experience the perfect blend of style and humor with our specially designed apron. It's made for those who enjoy good food and even better company. This isn't just any ordinary apron, it's a statement piece. It's designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and memorable. Get ready for compliments. What we like? This apron features a hilarious saying that's sure to get a laugh. It's made with a 3-layer waterproof and oil-proof material for excellent protection. If you're looking for a unique and funny gift for the man in your life who loves to grill or cook, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The apron is made of high-quality material that feels durable and comfortable. It features adjustable straps that ensure a perfect fit for most body types. The large front pocket is very convenient for holding cooking utensils and small tools. Number 4. Funny creative apron for cooking and grilling. Tired of boring kitchenware? Add some fun to your cooking and grilling adventures with this creative and hilarious apron. Looking for a unique gift for the man who loves to cook or grill? This apron is sure to bring a smile to his face. Whether you're baking, grilling, or just having a party, this apron is designed to be a conversation starter and a source of laughter. Made with quality materials, this apron is built to last through all your culinary endeavors. It's as practical as it is funny. Elevate your next kitchen party or backyard barbecue with this eye-catching and amusing accessory. It's the perfect way to add personality to any event. Don't just cook, entertain. This apron adds a touch of humor to your kitchen, making every meal preparation a delightful experience. What we like? This apron boasts a creative and funny design that stands out. It's constructed from high-quality, breathable, waterproof, and oil-resistant composite fabric. If you appreciate a touch of humor with practical features like multiple pockets for your grilling tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Great joke on brother-in-law. He loved to grill. Christmas gag gift for our shop equals worked great, now our cook wants one. This was a gift for my grilling friend. He loves wearing it for the fun reactions. Number 3. Rosoz Funny Barbecue Chef Apron for Men. Tired of the same old gifts? Surprise him with a hilarious apron featuring a funny saying. It's the ideal present for any man in your life, guaranteed to bring on the laughs. Crafted from a 3-layer waterproof and oil-proof material, this apron keeps your clothes clean. Its thick, soft, and breathable fabric ensures comfort while you cook, bake, or grill. Designed to fit most adults comfortably, it features adjustable neck and waist straps. This ensures a perfect fit for everyone, no matter their height or build. Keep your essentials close at hand with 2 large pockets. They're perfect for holding your phone, spices, or cooking tools while you work. From birthday parties and holidays to everyday cooking and gardening, this apron is perfect for any occasion. It's a fun addition to any activity, making memories and sharing laughs. Add a touch of humor to your kitchen or barbecue. This apron is not just practical but also a great conversation starter, ensuring a good time for everyone. What we like? This apron offers superior protection with its waterproof and oil-proof material. It provides an adjustable fit for most body types and includes large pockets for convenience. If you prioritize keeping your clothes clean and having your essentials handy while cooking or grilling, this is an excellent option. What people say. The apron is made of high-quality material that is both durable and comfortable to wear. It features adjustable straps that ensure a perfect fit for most body types. The large pockets are very convenient for storing small tools or kitchen gadgets. Number 2. Funny Chef Apron Barbecue Dad Apron. Introducing the Grill Father Apron, the perfect gift for the dad who loves to barbecue. It's designed to make his grilling experience even better. This apron features 3 spacious pockets, keeping all his essential grilling tools within easy reach. No more searching for pliers or clips. Crafted from high-quality, breathable composite fabric, it offers excellent protection against water and oil splashes. His clothes will stay clean and stain-free. Not only is it tear-resistant for long-lasting use, but it's also machine washable. It maintains its great look even after multiple washes. With a fun printed design and adjustable neck strap, it fits most people comfortably. The unique pocket placement adds a practical touch. Ideal for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion, this apron is a thoughtful gift for dads, husbands, and father-in-laws. Show them your love. What we like. This apron features a fun, The Grill Father theme and comes with 3 convenient pockets. It's made from a high-quality, breathable, waterproof, and oil-resistant fabric that's also tear-resistant and machine washable. If you're looking for a gift for a dad or father figure who loves to barbecue and wants to embrace his grilling title, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The apron is made of durable material that holds up well to frequent use. It features adjustable straps for a comfortable and secure fit. The large front pocket is very convenient for holding utensils and cleaning cloths. Number 1. Funny Grilling Apron, the perfect gag gift. Tired of boring barbecue attire? Get ready to bring the laughs to your next cookout with this hilarious apron. It's the perfect way to add some fun to your grilling experience. Crafted with chef-quality materials, this apron is built to last. Its 4-pocket design offers practical storage, making it as functional as it is funny. Unlike cheap transfers, our high-quality ink is infused directly into the fabric. This means no cracking or peeling, even after washing, ensuring the joke stays vibrant. Designed to fit most adults comfortably, this apron is ready for anyone who wants to be the life of the party. It's the ideal size for maximum comedic effect. Looking for a unique gift? This makes the perfect present for Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion for the grill master in your life. It's a gag gift they'll actually use. Support a veteran-owned business with this proudly American-made product. You're not just getting a funny apron, you're supporting a piece of American craftsmanship. What we like. This apron uses high-quality infused ink that won't crack or peel, ensuring the design lasts. It's made with heavy-duty, chef-quality material and is proudly made in the USA. If you value durability, a long-lasting print, and supporting American-made products, this apron is a great choice for the grill master in your life. What people say. My uncle loved his apron. Wore it at the barbecue. Bought for someone as a gift and he loves it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.